Hello everyone, welcome back to KOREHUB. Today we are diving into strings in Python. Strings are the fundamental part of programming, and understanding them will help you handle text in your programs. What are the strings? In programming, a string is a sequence of characters. For example, hello is a string made up of the characters H, E, L, and O. Strings are used everywhere, whether you are making websites, apps, or games to display the text to the users. In Python, strings are sequence of Unicode characters. This means Python can handle characters from many different languages, not just English. Creating strings. You can create strings in Python in a few different ways. Number one, using single or double quotes. You can create a string by placing characters inside single quotes or double quotes. Both methods work the same way. Single quote strings assigns hello, word into single quotes. Double quote strings assigns hello, word in double quotes. Handling quotes inside strings. If you need to include a quote inside your string, you can use the other type of quote, avoid confusion, like using double quotes outside to include single quote inside. Sentence 1 assigns it, as raining outside, full stop, into double quotes. Sentence 2 assigns it, as raining outside, full stop, into double quotes. Using single quotes outside to include double quotes inside. Sentence 2, he said, hello in double quotes, and then whole strings in single quotes. Using triple quotes for multiple line strings. When you have long text that spans multiple lines, use triple quotes. Single triple quotes are double quotes triple time. This is especially useful for long paragraphs or multi-line text. Multi-line text assigns this is a long string that spans multiple lines. Full stop. You can write as much as you want here. The whole paragraph in double quotes 3 times. Converting other data types to strings. You can convert other data types to strings using str function. This is handy when you need to combine text with numbers or other data types. Number assigns 42. String number assigns str into number. That function converts the number to a string. Tips and tricks. Using REPR function for debugging. If you want to see a string including its escape characters like \n for new line, use the REPR function. This can be helpful for debugging. Text assigns hello \n word in double quotes. Print REPR text. Output hello \n word. Using f-string for formatting. If you need to include variables inside a string, f-strings into formatted string literals make it easy to do so. This feature was introduced in Python 3.6. Like name assigns Alice, age assigns 10, greeting is equal to f into hello, my name is name into curly braces, and I am age into curly braces, years old. Print greeting. Here we use the function f to format this string and use the variables name and age inside the string. Example, a fun way to using strings. Let's say you want to print a list of the favorite animals, each on a new line. You can use a multiple line string to do this, like animals, triple double quotes started 1.cat, 2.dog, 3.elephant, 4. Giraffe. The triple double strings ends. When you print animals, it will be printed the output on the screen, each animal on a new line. That's wrap for the today's video on strings. We have converted how to create strings